everybody, how y'all doing? Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? So what up? What up? You know we're gonna stop it there because we ain't gonna be cooking today. Welcome to our very first kitchen talk of 2019. Okay, I hope you're all in good health and all of that. Now I know some of you all are facing this extra cold weather wherever you are, so I hope you take some of the soup there. I think I did 2 soups recently, so I hope you take them and you're warming your bodies. I just hope that everything is going okay and all going good for you. And I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you to my real supporters who have been here with me on the journey, and you're making things happen. Thank you so very much. Now today is not anything special, it is not anything special. It is just like the regular, when we come and when we try to share, and when I reach out to you and you will in return reach out to me in the comment section. I just want to say, share with you, to just try to do more home cooked meals. MHCM. MHCM. More home cooked meals. Okay? More home cooked meals mean, to me, stronger family. Bringing the family more together. Okay? When you cook, I know some of us can't, some of you all, you don't have the time to cook every day. I know that. I don't even cook every day. Okay? And I don't probably have a 9-to-5 job, and I don't cook every day. But especially on weekends, try to do some more home cooked meals for your family. You will know what your children are eating, yourself, your husband, your wife, whoever. Try to do more home cooked meals and build the family. Make the family come together. More home cooked breakfast, especially in Panasonic. Anywhere in the week, we're on the run. Yeah. Saturday is like a shopping and tidying up day. So that's so very rare we make big breakfast on Saturday. But on a Sunday, that's the norm in Jamaica. Even from back then when we had a little picnic. In the week, we not catch one cold dumpling and something a little bumper bread and something a little bush tea, and we go to school. If school is holiday, we don't hear me say we ain't got but go and play. But when it comes to Sunday, that breakfast, that big breakfast, and all of it sit down in the kitchen and sit down on piece of any little old bench in the kitchen. Them little long time, first time metal dining table, them the time that they were the world. You'd have to gather with the family and sit and have breakfast on a Sunday. Breakfast together on a Sunday, dinner together on a Sunday. Just trying to share with you and to, that real family thing. Get the children them more involved. If you're following me on my second channel, you will see where I started, my last, when we were trying to do videos like how you prepare Sunday dinner. Some we prep, some we don't prep, okay, to share with you, because some people cook rice and peas every single Sunday. I don't do rice and peas every Sunday because my family them get tired. I got them tell me personally, say me tired of rice and peas. My husband said they never cook rice and peas, so I don't want rice and peas. And to show you also how you can do the rice and peas in the midweek. Back then, when we cook rice and peas on Sunday, things were like this, so we could have get some rice and peas dropping in the week. Wednesday, if it's not rice and peas, it will be stew peas. But things can get a little sticky financial wise now. So we would do rice and peas religiously every Sunday. But for me cut out that because it's like too much rice and peas. So we're doing videos to show different, my neighbors next door, they are talking. So you might be hearing that in the video. Sorry about that. So we are doing some little videos on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain, that the Jamaican Debbie Deb, that is my second channel. I share with people what I do on a Sunday. Not every Sunday I'm in the kitchen, so you will not get it every single Sunday because I'm not in my kitchen every Sunday. Okay? So I'll show you how you can change around your Sunday dinner, so your family can, you surprise them every single Sunday. Most of the Sundays, You can twist and you can turn and you can mix and you can match. So if you want to join us over there, feel free. I leave the link to my second channel. And if you're on my videos, you will see as soon as my video is starting, I'm showing you I like there where you can, you know, also come and support me on my second channel, which I would be so grateful for too. So, more home cooked meals, bringing in the family, more in the cooking in the kitchen. Let everybody come in together. Also, whilst cooking in the kitchen, preparing dinner as a family, you can also talk about the differences. You know, some as family, every single family, we have little things that come up from time to time, or we have to address. Parents have little issues with the kids also have issues with the parents. So we can voice a little opinion right this and then, you know, come to an agreement whilst doing dinner. You see what I'm saying? Whilst doing breakfast. Okay? So this is like sharing with you, trying to get more home cooked meals in. Let me tell you something, family. You know, say Jamaica, me. And can I tell you something? The support is overwhelming. It is so warm from the young people when I go on the street and they see me. It is so, I didn't even realize that young people want in the cooking things. So honestly, I didn't know. And because this is what it has led me, it is driving me to do more and more videos. When I go on the streets, and sometimes you go in the supermarket on the street, the young people are reaching out. Miss Debbie, they are giving me so much warm hugs. Miss Debbie, I can remember some time ago I met this guy. Tell them, big up yourself. Me just do it now. If you're still watching, it is so late, but it's better late than never. And I was in the supermarket, and he was cashing. I just entered the supermarket, and I was like coming from an aisle, and he came over to me, and he said, I said, yes, me have a channel on YouTube, because I know that's what he was, because I didn't know him, you know. And he said, thank you so much, gave me such a decent handshake. And he said, you actually helped me to make stew peas one Sunday. It is so warm. The young people them want to learn for cook. I go all about downtown, every single place. Other people too are coming out to me, you know. But I'm telling you, the vast majority is the younger people. I am so surprised. They want to learn to do things right. So that is why I put out every single effort. You know, I have camera girl in the kitchen, and I'm putting her to the test. I put her to the test on one last video to do something, because I know she will not. She'll learn. It's a challenge for her. So it is the same thing for your teenager too. Some teenagers can cook from early, you know. Because when me have camera girl age group, me I cook some pot big and high in the house, yeah. I'm telling you, what I could do at her age, she can't do it now. Because I did that for doing when I left country and left country and come at town. The environment that I came into, the only way I could have stayed, I had to do it. I only know my story, not over on the Jamaican cooking journey, but if you're over on my second channel, which is Jamaican Debbie Debs, you would have known my story. Want to know some more about me? Want to see how I go run in a Jamaica and angle my business? Subscribe to my other channel. There you'll see and know more about me. This channel, as I told you, I'm not going to change it. We just do, we just upload videos that are teaching people to cook in depth, mostly Jamaican dishes, but sometimes from time to time, we do a little thing different. So I'm saying to you, more home cooked meals, that's what I'm trying to say to you. Make sure you know what go down your belly. If it's even one time for the week, family, give the family a decent home cooked meals. It's always warm and all of that. Good vibes in the kitchen. Now when I come in the kitchen with the daddy vibes, it not work. Let me tell you, the same vibes when you come in the kitchen with, are same way the food I got taste. You know, I know some people don't like cooking. Some people honestly don't like, just as though some people don't like washing. They don't like doing ironing clothes. They don't like press clothes. You know, some people it's the world to them. But you know what happened? People are reaching out to me and say, Miss Debbie, I can't believe you draw me out of my comfort zone so with the cooking. I am in my kitchen and I am cooking. Them are cook up some stamina in them kitchen, you see. So this is what this channel is all about. And lest I forget, I want to take the time out to not shout out 2 of my subscribers. Not anything bad. No. I want Natalie Harris, if you're watching, as I know Natalie always do, watch this video to the end. And I want to say something. Red Hot. Red Hot doesn't do pork. She don't do pork. But you know what I admire about her? Every single pork video that I put up, she would just come and comment and say, okay, you pork eaters, you enjoy yourself. Enjoy your meat, enjoy your pork dish where Debbie put out. Right at? Big up yourself. She doesn't do pork, but she doesn't throw out any hate on my pork videos. I must commend her for that. Now, Natalie, me want to ask you what you know about hog liver. I saw a comment, I was running through the comments, and mind you, family, I am trying to come up to par with the comments. Me still there a little way back in it. I'm coming up now, I'm coming up. Over the holiday period, I did go back. But I'm trying to come up now. Natalie says, and these are the comments I like comments that make sense. Some, when I did okay, yes, the curry chicken meatballs, somebody commented and said, nice video. I only wish, Miss Debbie, you could open one of those meatballs. Can I tell you something? I had the saucer, the knife, and the fork here to open the meatball, open one of those meatballs. Something distracted me off camera. Something, and I end up ending the video. It's when I ended the video, I say, camera girl, you know, say, me didn't want to cut the meatball for show the people them. No, I had to do it off camera. It was so nice. But you know what happened? If it's even for me to redo that video in a different format for you to see the end product. Those are the comments I like, family. They make sense. Okay? They let me gravitate more. Those are what I like. You know, because I had it in mind. And I wanted you to see the finished product. Because you know when I do, I always want you to see the finished product. Somebody said, Mr. B, you start me on the camera. No, my darling, me I got to take wash out. Y'all know that Jamaican old time, long time wash out? Yes. Because after them only for Christmas eating there. You see, well, you see me down here on the camera, so I take my wash out, so my stomach ready, But me I got to take wash out here now. Because what I always do every season, I take one of them old time, long time Jamaican wash out. And if you want to see what I'm going to do, you have got to go to my other channel. Because I'm going to be mixing it, preparing it, and I'm going to be drinking it on camera and carry it through the day. Now I'm not pretty, but I may carry it through the day to see what that thing going to do with me. So when me done take my wash out, you hear? Me I go start eat back on camera. Because to me, that when I eat, when I prepare the dishes and I eat, make you see, it gives you that drive to want to prepare more. When I do these videos, because I want you to get the drive, I want you to, even if you are somebody who used to cook, and you just lay down arms because, or you are somebody that, for whatever reason, you have no interest in cooking. You know how many people that cooking journey I draw out? If you are one of those people that the Jamaican cooking journey draw out and you start fire up in your kitchen, comment. So many people this Jamaican cooking journey have drawn out and the people them cook. So as I say to you, I want you to do some more home cooked meals. And if you are in for it, just ring up, type up some more home cooked meals, MHCM in the comment section. You don't have to do it every day. You don't have the time. You're working, you're going to school yet. And if you even you're a stay-at-home man, you don't want to cook every day either. And that is why on my second channel, I'm doing some, as I said before, repeating myself, but sometimes it makes sense to repeat yourself. I'm doing some like Sunday dinners. Maybe we'll do some in the week dinners too. Sometimes we'll be doing breakfast to let you have an idea. Because look here, you know, so sometimes to God, you swear to God you have stuff in the fridge, but you don't even have a clue where you want to do for Sunday dinner. That's the truth. Comment please. So I'm not even know if you want to cook for Sunday dinner today. I am here to gig your memory and see what you can do. I'm here, and you could have said, boy, Debbie, but me never know I could have done so and so. I'm here, but we will not be uploading those videos on this channel. We will be doing it on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. That channel suits those videos. We just do the cooking videos on this channel in depth. Okay? Coming back to Natalie Harris. Natalie made a comment. She said, she commented on a liver video. And I wanted to make sure my reply, and also I wanted to get you, my family, in on this. Natalie said when she was a child growing up, her mother used to give her the hog liver, but we're talking about the liver for the pig. Eh? But look here, and it is so, I think she said it tastes, it's tough. Yeah, it's tough for real, and bitter. It's the nature, it is the worst liver, family. No by none. I don't know if they have it on the market. My father was a butcher and I can tell you, it can't come tough. Can't soft, sorry. I don't even think if you pressure it. Because when you strip that thing off it and start to cut it up, it tough till you feel the knife and walk through it. Natalie, you know about the liver there? It is the worst eating liver. How do I know it? Me know somebody is going to say, how do I know it, Miss Debbie? How can I recognize it? Your girl I go try to see if she can get one from her butcher. Me not think nobody there said it. I doubt that. And I don't know. I have never seen it in the supermarket. But I'm going to try. I'll show you from here. Look on it. It's a bitter. Seriously bitter. Seriously bitter. I don't know if some people enjoy it. Have you ever had pig liver? If you have ever had, how did you enjoy it or how do you enjoy it? Tell me. Because I know my father was butcher, I know for milk up in I like it bitter like a god and cool stuff. The best liver, the most refined liver is the goat liver. It's the best. Once you get the goat were young, if you get the goat were kind of ageable, the liver got kind of like a barky, but it's still, you know. But if you get that young goat liver, it is the most refined liver. Right? The chicken liver, they say, is also, nutrition say the chicken liver is the most nutritious. I'm not sure what do you say, what do you know about chicken liver? I do it a lot sometimes too, right? But the nutritionist says it's the most nutritious liver, okay? But I know the goat liver, it is the most refined. When you get the good goat liver and you give it that good, nice, whether you want to use artificial or herbs season it the proper way, cut it broad and thin, it is the most refined eating liver. Did you know? The goat's liver. Now, by the way, the hog liver. Natalie, you forgot to tell me about where you know about the hog liver, something there. Adrian, I'm on to your dish that you requested. I'm on to your request. Adrian Prince requested 2 videos of me. He was the one that requested that cook up season they will use feed food. But Adrian, I still wait for you enough to see that bird paper there, you know. Your birds are fit ticket. What you know about this dish here? Family, I'm going to be preparing it, not necessarily the next video, but anytime soon. I think I might do it before this January month is out. Adrian had requested that dish from the longest while. I mean, no, Adrian think me forgot it, you know. Me not forgot it. It is an old Jamaican dish. I'm going to prepare it. I'll tell you that it's going to be request. As I go, Adrian requested me, I go tell you now. Adrian Prince, me go call out his name on the video. And I'm going to tell you why it used to cook in my house when me was a little picnic. That dish. I won't say what it is. Adrian knows. He requested it. It is an old Jamaican dish. I would think Caribbean too. But when I do it, my Caribbean people will tell me. Let me send shout out to my Caribbean people. Big up my Bajan family. Them big and broad in the house. Merlin, big up yourself, my sister. All of my Bajan family. My Canadian family. Lot them huge. My American family, who know they keep warm. Canada, me say them, you all keep warm to my British. All of you know yourself, warm to my Jamaican people, them bring it up in the comment section. I need to see somewhere around me, you know. Somebody said Vincentians. Is it the correct? Vincenzo, big up on yourself. You're in the house, love you so much. All those from Switzerland, Spain, all about, big up on yourself in the house. This is just a little Jamaican cooking journey, kitchen talk, where we're sharing. I honestly say, me get one seat. Me there up, I like my stomach's puss. Okay? So that was what this video is all about. Encouraging you to do more home cooked meals. We take time and creep up, come to the 50,000. And we're going to be having a giveaway. We're going to be working on it. And also we'll be doing it in a different way. So more people will get time to compete. Because some people, the answer was so easy. Some people never get the time to compete. So you got to look out for that. And let me say thank you so much for your love. Continuously. I've got to say thank you so much for your love. Warm comments, your support. Those of you who were there with me. As if you let them drop sound of them and them. Less forever. Big up yourself. Less forever. You go check out less, you know, because you know what you do, you know. And the quotes thing, them enough for when things not going so good and we head crab up and we head now work good. We need to look quotes them we less put out. If it's soothe winners, go check out less. Amaru Cooks, big up yourself. You know, go check out my brother, you know. Go check out my brother Amaru Cooks. He's there. I want to send you to Amaru's channel for something, but I'll give it to you in another video. Check him out, give him some support, show him some love. Who else is over here with the channel? Okay, yes. Sassy K, the second prize winner for the Jamaican cooking journey, the little Christmas thing. Yeah, she has a channel. Check her out. I think she's doing some water detoxing, but check her out because we have to detox after Christmas. Remember, I'm telling you, so I'm going to do the Jamaican wash out. That wash out, that is serious wash out, you know. Go check her out. Show some love. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much. What more, my sister Tony? What more can I say? Love you. Love you all so much. Love and support up to the max. How can I not love you? Love you so much. This is just it. Debbie from Dongayard. Bless. No stress.